We will show you how to customize the link color in your HTML email signature using the Bybrand editor. Choose your signature to edit, so locate the link element you want to modify. To include a hyperlink, it is necessary to select all the text and then click the anchor icon. To change color, look for the color picker icon in the Properties panel. Choose your desired color from the palette, or enter a specific hex color code if you have one. Click the Save button to store your changes. Use the Preview button to see how your signature looks.